Friends, in this video we are going to see what are the different types of methods to create the geometry. So already I have opened the Staad Pro. So here we are going to have new under project task we are going to have new project, open project, etc. And what are the recent files previously we have used that will be shown here, and license configuration. So while doing this, and we have to turn on the required country code here. So right now I'm going to open a new file, so new project, and here the default options are space, plane, floor and brush. Space is nothing but the default view will be open in the 3D view, and coming to other options that the plane views will be open over there. Okay, and the default units are in meters and kilonewtons. If you wish to change them, you can change them later on also. And I'm going to give the file name as a class 1, let it be class 1. And I want to locate my file on the desktop, so I have created one folder over here like Staad Pro tutorials. Okay, so just click on next, and here there are different elements like where do you want to go, which page you want to open there. So default add beam is there. If you want to go for plate page or like run structure wizard, whatever option you need, you can directly select it here. So let it be add beam, and I'm going to click on finish. And here directly it will be opened, stat file will be opened here, and default extension for stat file is .std. okay, and this is like title bar, this is menu bar, and here we are having different types of toolbars. Okay, some are related to output, input, and something like these are related to views, and these are elements, and these are for modifying tools, etc. And some of our output options. After analysis we are able to see shear force diagrams, displacements, etc. So after analysis these tools will be activated. Okay, so today in this tutorial we are going to see different methods for geometry creation. There are different methods. One is node method, like we can go for the nodes, we can give the coordinates like x, y, z. That is one method. And another one is by using grid method, and another one is run structure wizard. So first we'll see the node method. So here we are having snap node beam, right? So here simply we can close this one, and under that we are going to have this nodes table. Okay, on screen we are not having any dots, right? So if I'm going to define my first point at 0, 0, 0, instead of typing all zeros, directly you can go for enter key, or we can go for the down arrow. So automatically we have got one node here, and I'm going to create a 4-meter beam, right? So in the direction of x, so in x direction I'm going to define 4 meters, and y and z will be 0. So if you observe on screen, we have got two nodes. One is here, right, and another one is here. Okay, and if you want to get the node numbers, shift n is the shortcut key for node numbers. And by joining these two nodes, I want to create a beam. So simply go for geometry and add beam. So just go for add beam from point to point. Okay, so let it be first node and second node of the beam. Okay, automatically one beam has been created. Right now we are in the space view. So if you observe, default axis are x, y, z, and we are in 3D view. If you want to go for the front view, you can activate the front view from here, view from positive z. Okay, this is one method. In this way we can create frames also. We'll see that later on. Another method is we can go for grid method. So I'm going to delete this beam. Delete. Yes. So just if you want to go for grid method, turn on this option like snap node beam, this option. So automatically the grid will be activated. Actually we are having different grids, irregular, regular and radial method. So right now I'm going to use regular method. Okay, we'll see other options later on. So here if you observe, the cursor is being restricted to 1 meter, right? So this method is known as snapping method. So if I want to start at 0 and end at 4, directly we can go for this grid method. Okay, and another method is run structure wizard. So just click on geometry and go for run structure wizard, and in run structure wizard go for model type. Here we are going to have frame models. Under frame models, just click on continuous beam, double tap on that, and automatically select parameters window will be opened here. So if I want to specify the length of the beam as 5.5 meters and apply, Yeah, one second. Actually, we are having one beam on screen. Just I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to turn off this grid also. So simply you can come here and turn off this one. Yeah, again going for geometry, run structure wizard, and in run structure wizard just go for frame models and continuous beam. Let the length be, for example, I want to give 4.5 meter beam, and obviously that beam will be drawn in X direction. Okay, only length has been highlighted, right? No height and width options are highlighted. So number of base along length let it be 1. Okay, number of base is nothing but divisions, so I want to be only one division. So 1, apply, and directly we can close or we can click on this option. Okay, transfer model, anything is fine. I'm going to close this file. So would you like to transfer or merge this prototype? Yes. And where do you want to insert? So move, paste protocol mode, prototype model. I want to place at origin only, so just click on OK. So automatically we are going to get this wing. Okay, so like this we can create 2D frames, 3D frames. Okay, so these are the different methods for creating a geometry. Just we have seen a small basic beam. Okay, in coming up classes we see other models also. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.